講聲喎。Hi everyone, this is Andrew from IKE. Today I want to bring a brief introduction about IKE Industrial and one of our hot cell dehydrator. So IKE was founded in 1994. We have been focusing on food machinery for over 20 years. Unlike many suppliers, we make our own motherboard and write our program ourselves. So that's the only way we can guarantee the performance of our machineries. That's why we can provide 2-year warranty for our machines. And a lot of other suppliers can only provide 1-year warranty. So the machine in front of you is one of our hot cell products, DF600 series. As you can see, it is made in stainless steel stainless steel唔好意思，卡咗。430. So you don't need to worry about its surface life. And about its dehydrating temperature range, it is from 20 to 18 Celsius degrees. So it is suitable for most kind of materials like fish, meats, fruits, vegetable species, and flowers. So if you got this model, you can dehydrate almost all materials you got. You can adjust your production plan based on the season and based on the preference of your market. So let's get closer. These two fans are the main hot air outlets of the dehydrator. Once you turn on the dehydrator, the hot wind will come out from these two fans and go through your materials, and when the dry air become humid air, they would go back to the top of the dehydrator. On the top of the dehydrator, there is the wind inlets. So when the humid air goes into the air inlets, the moisture in the humid air will be condensed into water drops. Then the water drops will be dropped from this water pipe. So during the whole dehydrating process, only the moisture will be discharged. No heat energy or hot air will be wasted. So that's the one of the reasons we can keep the electricity consumption low. We think this is an important factor because a lot of clients want to keep their electricity consumption to be low, so they can control the using costs, and IKE can definitely help you with that. Okay, so maybe you would think, where do I need to install this dehydrator? Because this is just the wind blower and the machine to condense your humid air. So let's go this way. Because that dehydrator is the embedding type, so you would need a drying house. You can imagine that is the room for the dehydrator. You need to install the dehydrator into the drying house. So you can push your materials and the trolley and trays into the house and start the dehydrating. And this is one of our drying house. As you can see, it is the stainless steel version. Of course, we have many kinds of drying house in different materials. We will design the solution for you based on your needs and your budget and your preference. It's okay. You can just tell us what you need, what you want to dehydrate it, and the capacity you need, so we can provide you a comprehensive solution. Okay, when you want to start the dehydration, just need to open the drying house. maybe you will wonder why do we need a drying house? Because we need building a drying house to create a heat preserved room. Because if we don't have this drying house, the heat energy from the dehydrator will just lose to the air. So you cannot create a high temperature environment for your materials. So after you have installing the drying house, you can just put your materials into your trays and your trolley and push your trolleys into the drying house. That is one kind of dehydrator of IKEs. It is not has to be this dehydrator. A lot of models can be installed in one drying house. Just like the DF600 I mentioned before, it is suitable for this drying house too. And also, if you think the cost of stainless steel drying house is too high for you, we can recommend other materials for you. For example, this is another kind of drying house. So we can provide a solution at standard cost and lower cost. It's just based on your need, and sure, we can provide a comprehensive solution after we have know more about your needs. So do not hesitate to let us know your needs. Just contact IKE and we can provide a comprehensive solution to you. Thank you. That's all for the day.